The University of Jordan proudly launches the Heat Stress in Farm Animals Research Group, dedicated to tackling the growing challenge of heat stress in livestock caused by climate change. This research group focuses on studying the physiological responses of cattle, sheep, and poultry to high temperatures. By understanding how these animals are affected, the team works to develop cutting-edge strategies that enhance resilience, improve productivity, and support sustainable agricultural practices across the region. With a strong commitment to interdisciplinary collaboration and practical impact, the group explores innovative solutions in nutrition, management, and environmental control to mitigate the effects of heat stress. Their efforts aim to empower farmers, inform policy, and contribute to animal welfare in a changing climate. We invite researchers, institutions, and stakeholders to join us in this vital mission. Let's collaborate to inspire innovation and build a more sustainable future for animal agriculture.